What is going on, guys? So, my name is Dylan Torpy. You can follow me at Dylan_Torpy across all socials. I am a natural bodybuilder, amateur natural bodybuilder. We actually just had a show about 3 weeks ago. Didn't do as well as we wanted to. First time out, didn't place, but it's alright. I got all the information, all the knowledge I need to now go forward. So currently, we're actually kind of coming back and doing a mini cut before we actually get into the big off season. We're trying to get fucking huge. It's something I always wanted to do. I always wanted to try to, get some vlog going. This is my first time. Shout out to my boy Ethan for giving me a little inspiration. But we're gonna take you through a full day of eating and actually a good leg day. So get ready for that. Before we actually get into our fasted cardio, I'm actually gonna show you all the thermogenic that I'm taking right now. Volcaren 2000, if I'm saying that right. So this one from Subs. It's actually pretty good, not bad. So one serving is about a half a scoop, but I'm about to take a full cap just so we can really get burning on this fasted cardio. Alright. So one bite, everybody knows the rules. Cilantro. It's not bad, yeah. It take about 30 minutes before you actually get going, so it gets in your system. You start feeling body heat up, and start to get that sweat, baby. Let's go get after it. I just gotta wait to the fucking gym, get this cardio going. Oh man, wait, bro. Yo, fall is here, man. Fall is here, and I ain't mad about it. Ready for that shit to stay. Nice hooded weather, fall fits. Let's fucking go. Now, but seriously, it's dropping down to 50s here in New York. I don't know where you all are from, but fall is knocking, man. So for this cardio session, we're going in fasted in the morning, yield best body fat burning results. So I'll catch y'all over there. Because there's been one thing I really wanted to kind of shed some light on. So just mentality of people these days is people just get so sucked into social media, and they just think that life is all wrapped around this, and this instant gratification is everything. But it's really it's a trap. It really is. Because you find yourself just you're in an endless loop of scrolling and getting those endorphins that your brain is always seeking for, always wanting, and it happens so quickly and so fast that each new video is a new level of endorphins. It's just a repeat circuit that you just can't get out of sometimes, and I've seen it, especially younger generation. It's a scary thing to see happen, man. But I just want to shed some light on that. You guys should really take the time to find at least 5 things that you're grateful for every day. It can be little things, it can be the big things, whatever you feel is most important to you. So 5 things that you're grateful for. Call at least one person from your family, whoever and tell them that you love them, because you never know. You really never know. Other than that, I really suggest that you guys should get a task planner. I think it's very important to write down some easy goals, some bigger goals, things to report on, some things to improve upon, and start taking those little actions towards what you really want out of life. Because that's really what everything is about, is setting up a high goal and every day striving towards that goal. No matter how small it is, you're gonna have setbacks. You're gonna have days that are off. You're gonna have days where you don't want to do shit, but you get it done anyway. And that's what discipline is. Seriously. For myself, I work in the medical field, so I'm always on the go for work. And we have some days long days, some days pretty short days. But I'm also a bodybuilder, aspiring bodybuilder. So you'll always catch me 4:30 in the gym, make sure I'm doing my cardio, my fasted cardio. Then going to work, bringing my meals with me on the road. And honestly, I'm gonna tell you straight up, I'll eat my meals cold if I have to. Sorry, that's just the truth of getting shit done. Then after work, around 5-6 o'clock, we get back home, and then it's time for our weight training. Get back home, do a laundry, cook, whatever, and the day, days just repeat. It's the fucking grind, man. It's the process. And if you're not willing to put in this work to achieve the goal that you want, then what are you doing? If you're half in, half out all the time, don't get mad at staying the same and yielding the same results. If there's no delta, then what other outcomes do you think are going to happen? That's just my little spiel, my little TED talk. So thanks for hearing me out. Like I said, guys, we just got here. We just pulled up to the gym, Titan Fitness. So we're about to get our fasted cardio going. Don't mind the hair and the beard. I haven't got a haircut or shaved since my show, which actually I shaved everything and just had the mustache, so letting everything grow back in. But yeah, guys, we're here. Home, Titan Fitness, GOAT. So let's get inside and let's get after this cardio. Hey, what's going on, guys? We just got finished with fasted cardio. Did about 40 minutes, about 700 calories. Nice, good way to start the day. Yeah, so we're gonna go home, get ready for meal 1, get our weigh-in, get our check-in done, and we'll let you know how much we're weighing, and how we're looking for the news coming up. For those who know me, I'm a baseball player at heart, so I love my Oakleys, so y'all gotta deal with it. I want to make this more of a habit, start getting used to more video logging, for workouts, diet, getting ready for competition. But also, if you guys want to see anything in specific, just let me know. How was prep, or how is it going through the process, the week before your competition, the peak week, and then, as you even got there, right before you're about to go on stage, what was it like? How was the environment, and all that kind of stuff. So, looking forward to making a video just on that specifically. But yeah, if there's anything else you guys are looking, you want to know more about me, or just like to see, maybe a little behind the scenes of my clothing brand, Rowan Activewear. Shout out. If you guys haven't already seen it, go follow us on Instagram, Rowan Activewear. Yeah, you guys go ahead, shop up. We're probably having some deals coming out soon, so stay tuned to the socials. If anything comes through, me and my partner will be announcing everything that we're doing with that. So if you guys are interested in doing any partnerships, go ahead, slide in our DMs. If you're looking to be an athlete, get a discount code, just hit us up, man, and we'll get the business, see if we're a good fit, and let's really grow the culture of the brand. Alright, guys, so we're back here. All checked and all weighed in. So we're about 213.4 pounds this morning after fasted cardio. So we're about to get into meal number 1, and we got, let's show you right here. We got 168 grams of ground chicken breast, and also 110 grams of jasmine rice. So we'll get after that. It's meal 1. Probably getting another 2 meals before workout today. And yeah. And we are back. All right, so meal 1 is done. Meal 2 right now, same thing. We got 168 grams of lean ground chicken breast, and we got 100 grams of white jasmine rice. Simple shit. Stay consistent. Same thing. Different day. Whatever. Today we actually have push and arms, so not legs. Sorry, but today we can chase that good pump, good mind muscle connection, and it's time to get huge, baby. So catch you guys there in the gym. Let's get after it, and tell somebody you love them today. Alright, guys, so the meals are all done. We're about to get ready for the gym, so it's time to take our supplements. So we got for our intro workout, we got ourselves F.1 Tropic Thunder. So mix that with some of the creatine here, and it's gonna go for our intro. So for our pre-workout, we got F.1 the Pump, Blue Steel, Fire. And honestly, this is a sleeper right here. The orange Canesicle. Pretty solid, 1 scoop. So we're gonna mix that, have our pre-workout. Okay, usually take 2 scoops, but I think it's only like 1.5 left in here. So we'll do that. Actually, no, we only have to get 2. Okay. 2 in. Put it back here. The creatine in there as well. 1 scoop. So that shit's ready to go. I just got pre-ready to go. 1 scoop of that. Fire. That bad boy, healthy scoop. Oh man, this stuff is strong. And we're just gonna do 2 scoops of the pump. That's my formula. Good lift. It's gonna turn like this bluish, greenish color, but it don't taste bad. So that's that. Let's go get after it. Alright guys, we're back for round 2. Time to get the lift in. We got pre going. Listen to some tunes, and it's time to get back after it. Titans, baby. Alright. So we'll probably start filming a little bit, but get this all finished up and I'll catch you guys inside. Let's say you guys want to know the real workout. Are fucking these, man. So these are our new shirts. Fashion Focus Vision in the front with our signature logo. With the back, with the samurai in the back. Alright, check them out on the website. We're on activewear.com. Shop up. Let's go light up the darkness. Make true of an empty promise. Flip gods into weak and harmless. Take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. Come on. That was looking good though. What are you doing, buddy?
Look at you, giant.
Look at you,
like
man.
A whole Viking, bro.
Ah, trying to look like you, man.
Oh, it looks good. Told you could rebuild off that, and you are.
Oh yeah, take inspiration for you, my dude.
And this time around, thank you, man. Thank you. But it's you. You're doing it.
You're right, you're right.
Really proud of you.
Appreciate it, man. the tank top as well. This is by Ronan as well. Here, coming over here so you can see. So the R in front as well, and obviously right over to the back. Come on now. Yeah, guys, if you want to support us and support our dream, shop out, RonanActivewear.com, baby. I'll catch y'all later. That concludes our workout. And stay tuned for meal number 3 and 4. So, we're back at the house now. We're about to have the third meal. So we got 200 grams of jasmine rice. Same thing, 168 grams of chicken breast. And we also forgot to mention earlier meals that we were adding in 5 grams of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, to each meal. As well as, well, since we forgot the green beans, we'll be adding it in at a later time. So here we go, we'll get a little bit more. Same shit. Yeah. Kill this down. Then we got 2 more meals to go. So catch you guys on the next one. So guys, another pro tip. Like, I hear so many people always complain about, oh, you know, like my head hurts every day. I don't know why. You know, always feeling down. And it's like most of the first time, you know, I'm always like, well, I see you're drinking like 2 or 3 sodas a day, so you're probably dehydrated as hell. Like, oh no, I had, you know, 1 or 2 bottles of water. I was like, you should be having at least a gallon, you know, at least. I wonder why you're feeling like shit all the time, because you're so dehydrated. Your body's just not getting the hydration that it clearly needs to repair itself and just, like, you know, just be alive, you know. It's just something important that make sure you're staying hydrated. Like, fuck all the soda, fuck all that toxic shit, and just stick to the basics, man. Just get it done. Your body needs it, and you'll feel so much better. Trust me. But yeah, that's how you chase greatness, man. All right, guys. As promised, we did go out and get those green beans, so we're all set now. Now it's time to play catch up. But no, yeah, stay within the same limits. So just make sure I get all the nutrients that I need. Pretty set. But yeah, guys, seriously, make sure you're drinking your water. You know, if you're not, then you really put yourself at disadvantage. Alright guys, we're back here with meal number 4. This time we got ourselves 200 grams of jasmine white rice. We got our ground chicken breast, 168, and we got 5 grams of olive oil. And we're actually gonna add in our greens now and take care of all that. So that's gonna be meal number 4. We got one more to go, probably on the way back. So, yeah. Go. Alright, what's going on, guys? So, we got our 5th and final meal. 168 grams of ground turkey. Sorry, I keep saying ground turkey. Ground chicken breast. And 100 grams of green beans. Told you, we got them. Same thing. You can set the theme going on with this, but yeah, man, lean's the game. Keeping that shit good. But yep, good lift, good energy. But yeah, if you guys, you know, going forward. Try to make some more videos. So comment on what you guys want to see, any other topics you want to talk about. Yeah, and also swipe up my boys, Band's Fit. Go see his videos. Get some fire stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna get this edited for y'all, and then we'll get this on the way for our first ever YouTube video. If you guys want to support us, you can go to RonanActivewear.com. We still have our new drop out, the New Warrior collection. So we have our 2 New Warrior shirts, as well as the Warrior shorts, as well as the other essentials gear as well. It's all still available too. So appreciate you guys, and thank you for making my dream come true. Love y'all. Catch you later.